In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit master slide in Google Slides. By editing your master slide, it means you want to make a change that will be applied on all your slides in Google Slides. To do this, it is very much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, go ahead and open your current slide that you are working on. And I have here this presentation that has 21 slides. I like to go ahead and make some changes that should apply on all the other slides. For this, head over to this option called slide and then scroll down until you see edit theme. Now, if I go ahead and click on it, you can see all the slides will be displayed here. Now, to select all of them, just go ahead and click on theme. And if I click on it, you can see now all the others have been selected. Now from here we can make any change and it will be applied on all the other slides. For instance, if I want to change maybe the color here, I can just go ahead and apply the color here, and this will be applied on all the other slides. As you can see here, the heading will be applied on all the slides. I may also want to go ahead and maybe add a background color on this heading. I can just go ahead and click on color fill here and then choose any color. Now look at that. The color that I've just selected has been applied on all the slides that I have on my Google slide. So any change that you make on this, it will be applied all your slides, and you don't have to go ahead and make the change on each and every slide. So that's how you can edit master slide or change themes and layouts in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.